Now we're going to make this cute little decorative organizer for somebody's desk. I've already filled these containers with, one is candies, another has paper clips, and then we have the rubber bands. And just close them up. And I wrapped this ribbon already around it because this can literally stay on somebody's desk and they can just pull it in and pull it out so it looks really pretty. So now I'm going to set this aside. So I'm going to start by taking my Bowdabra Bow Wire. I'm going to fold it in half and just lay it down into my mini and tuck that underneath. Now the way that we make flowers in the Bowdabra is if you want a pointed tip, all you do is fold your ribbon in half and just click from the corner of the fold inwards. And then if I want to make my petal and make it a curved, all I do is just cut a little semicircle at the top of my ribbon. And I'm using a wired ribbon because that makes it a little bit easier to shape. So I'm gonna just take this, I'm gonna fold it in half because I've already cut all the ends the way that I want them. And just fold this in half here and find my center, put this one in. And I love making these flowers in the Bowdabra because you can really use any color and all you have to do is cut the leaves and the petals the shape that they would be in your flower. So just take this, push that down into the Bowdabra and just push that. And again, I'm just kind of shaping a little bit as I go. I'm gonna take my wand and just really scrunch everything down. And take this and put that in there. And this here. And take this one and just kind of scrunch that down. And take my wand, push everything in. And then I'm gonna add my little flower there. And take my Bowdabra bow wire, pull it through the slip knot while it's still in the Bowdabra, hold my bow down and pull it really tight. So now when I take it out, all I have to do is bring the ends around to the back, tie a knot, and tie a double knot. Then I'll bring back my box here. And actually, let's shape this. I like to shape it by bringing all the petals up to the top and then moving them around. And finish shaping, and then tie it onto my box. So this way, somebody has a really pretty flower that just sits on their desktop or on their bookshelf, and they have their supplies that they can just pull in and out. Then clip this underneath here. Now you have a great little hostess gift that gets somebody started with their New Year's organizing. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below, and also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.